Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can join someone with joins off on Roblox, or how you can join someone without being friends. So let's start the video without wasting your time. First, open up your any browser and just search for the web store, and just open up the Chrome web store you are seeing here. And now when it was open, click on the search extension and service. Now here you have to just type the restore old Roblox server list, and then this extension will show on the top. Just click on this extension to open it up, and this has the 4.3 star rating, which is the very good. So you need to just click on the add to Chrome, click on the add extension, then this extension will start downloading into your browser. Just click on the extension icon and just pin this extension to your browser, and then you can simply open it, and then you can go to your Roblox home and then just simply refresh it. So after you refresh it, you have to just open up your friend profile or your friend where its profile. So after, you have to just search for it, or you have to just open it from anywhere. Like I'm just opening any random person like this one. So I can just click on it profile, and once it was open, here I can just copy its username. I can just simply copy it. I can just right click on the copy. I can also press the Control C to copy it, and then go to the extension. And then in the player username, you have to just paste this, and then check this box of the auto search. So after that, you have to just scroll down, and you can also refresh it, so the changes may take best effect. So just scroll down and you will see its favorite game or its plays. So you have to just open up any of its favorite games, and then you need to go to the servers. And once you go to the servers, now here you need to just scroll down, and you will see all of the servers that if he are if he was in, then you will see the user was found, and if he's not playing, then you will see the user not found here. So here you will see the search completed and the 17 server was found. And you also need to open up the game one by one, or any experience, and then you can simply search for it. And if this found here, then you can simply join this server from here. And guys, this is how you can join someone without being friends. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.